Welcome back to the CashWave Strategy Vault. This is video 11 in our 18-part series, and today we're diving into a topic that's been a game changer for me: crypto. For years I avoided it, not because I didn't see the potential, but because it felt risky, confusing, and overwhelming. Have you felt that way too? Maybe you're excited by the idea of crypto but held back by questions like, what if I lose my keys? What if I fall for a scam? How do I even get started safely? I've been there. But here's the good news. You don't have to risk it all to get started with crypto. You don't have to be an expert either. You just need a proven setup. That's why I created my Crypto Safety Starter Kit. It's the exact blueprint I use to secure my crypto and get paid in it too. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to set up your system, keep your funds safe, and even turn crypto into a reliable income stream. Stick with me, because all the walkthroughs, wallet maps, and templates you need are linked below. Craig's proven system for safe crypto earnings. When I started mapping out my crypto flow, I realized I couldn't do it alone. I needed programs that would take the guesswork out and provide clear, actionable steps for securing and growing my crypto. That's where these three came in. 1. Intelligent Crypto VIP. This program was a revelation for me. Before I could think about earning in crypto, I first needed to protect it. Intelligent Crypto VIP taught me exactly how to secure my funds and avoid costly mistakes. Step-by-step guidance. They walked me through setting up cold wallets, shifting funds off exchanges, and creating a system where my assets were protected no matter what. Peace of mind. The first time I moved my crypto into a ledger Nano X, I finally felt like my money was no longer at risk. 2. VIP indicator. Bundle. Once my crypto was secure, my next focus was growth. But I didn't want to guess my way through it, chasing hype or reacting emotionally to market shifts. That's where the VIP indicator bundle changed the game for me. Clear signals. These indicators gave me real-time data on when to buy and when to hold. No more second-guessing or wondering if I was making the right move. Confidence over emotion. With guidance from the indicators, I stopped falling for every dip and rise. Instead, I focused on long-term strategy and hit wins I wouldn't have gotten on instinct alone. 3. Crypto commissions. Here's where things get even better. I realized I could actually earn crypto through affiliates by helping others set up the same system I was using. Crypto commissions taught me exactly how to do this. Income stream built on trust. I began sharing my experience with Intelligent Crypto VIP and the tools I loved, and I earned commission payouts directly in crypto. Earning while teaching. Promoting tools and programs I genuinely believed in felt natural. Every payout felt like proof that this system worked. While those programs set the foundation, these tools turned my workflow into something seamless. Each one plays a vital role in my system. 1. Ledger Nano X. Cold storage. Funds stored in an offline wallet are untouchable by hackers. The Ledger Nano X gave me peace of mind that my assets were safe. 2. DeepSeek Research Assistant. DeepSeek simplifies research, helping me make data-driven decisions about new coins and staking opportunities. 3. ChatGPT Simplifier. ChatGPT breaks down complex crypto concepts from white papers to staking instructions into simple, actionable steps. 4. Brave Wallet, hot wallet for small transfers. For smaller transactions or staking, the Brave Wallet is lightweight, fast, and secure. I wasn't always confident in crypto. For years, I kept my distance because it felt too risky. And honestly, I was right. When I finally decided to give it a try, I ignored basic safety protocols, and I got burned. I lost funds in a scam, and it shook me. But that failure became a turning point. It pushed me to stop guessing and start building a system. When I joined Intelligent Crypto VIP, everything started to make sense. I secured my crypto properly, followed VIP indicators to grow my holdings, and started earning with crypto commissions. I stopped reacting, started planning, and watched as this once risky idea became something I could trust and teach. Here's how others in the CashWave community are finding success with these strategies and tools. Landon F. from Charlotte, North Carolina. Landon said, Intelligent Crypto VIP taught me how to set up my wallet. I didn't just feel safer, I started earning too. Alicia T. from Portland, ORI. Alicia shared, "The VIP indicators helped me make my first profit without stressing. I finally followed a plan that worked." Derek M. from Austin, Texas. Derek said, "Using ChatGPT took all the fear out of crypto. Now I can read white papers and actually know what I'm doing." Now tell me where you're at. Are you still just watching crypto from the sidelines? Have you started earning yet? I'd love to hear where you are in your crypto flow. Drop a comment below. I read everyone. And when you're ready to take control of your crypto, grab Toolkit 5, the Crypto Safety Starter Kit. It's free to download, and below, you'll find every link to get started with the tools and programs I shared today. Some of the bonuses and guides are time-limited, so don't wait. Next, I'll show you exactly how to put all of this into action. Wallet setups, live transactions, staking walkthroughs, and more. You'll see my crypto system work in real time, step by step.